This is the camera script for my Nukekubi game. As you can see, I've got the private variables here. So we have the player, transform, offset, rotation angle, the quaternion rotation, horizontal position, camera position, and the current offset. So what I wanted to achieve with my camera script was to get the camera to follow the player, and also when it was close to the walls to zoom in closer to the player so you don't get that clipping. And it was something that caused me a lot of trouble to begin with, as initially with the collision in the walls, the camera would collide and do a jagged sort of thing. And to deal with that, in the end, I used a lerp. So it would take the current camera position when it had zoomed in from the offset to its original position compared to the player, and lerp between that, as you can see here. And so it would slowly move back to the player once it was no longer colliding. And to get the camera to follow the player, we have this script here. So the camera position takes a lerp of the player's position, rotation times current offset, and the camera position, and goes from there. Some other scripts that I had was the attract script for the wards. So as you can see, it's got quite a few variables, and I added a private bool is attract true so I could use it for both the attract and repel scripts. So what I did was find the distance when the player went into the circle of where the ward is active, then it sets the line renderer to enabled, and so the line is drawn, which is what you saw in the previous video. And then once it leaves, the line renderer is disabled. So when the player is in the field, it gets the position compared to the player's position, so to get the direction, and then it gets the distance as well. So then a force is added to the player rigid body to either attract or repel.